In this video, you will learn how to use your 3M Xtract portable dust extractor. Let's get started. Take the portable dust extractor out of the box, along with the hose, poly bag, push handle, and instruction manual. There are 2 filters located inside the portable dust extractor. Verify filters are installed and set into place. To check, place a flathead or the reverse end of a red 3M wrench into the slot in the front of the PDE. Quarter turn and push in to open top lid. Use the locking catch to hold the unit open. Lift it again to close the unit. After unboxing and checking that you have all the parts, here's how to set up the unit for use. There's a catch handle for the cord to hang on so that it's out of the way while you set up your PDE for storage and transportation. To install the push handle, there are 2 pin clips, one on each side, that come with your unit to manually install the push handle to keep it secure. Next, to insert the provided poly collection bag, remove top part of the unit. Note the seal catch on the bottom to ensure the seal is firmly locked into place. Set the red lever to open with poly collection bags. Then drape the top of the plastic bag over the container edge. If you are installing a fleece bag sold separately, the installation is the same with the exception of setting the red slide to close. Now your collection bag is installed. You can return the top half of the unit and close the locking latches on the side. Next, to connect the hose to the unit, open vacuum port and quarter turn to lock. Ensure the PDE is connected to an appropriate wall outlet. Now let's connect your tool. The hose will come with a connective sleeve. For best fit, remove the connective sleeve, reverse thread hose directly into the 3M electric tool in this example. For automatic vacuum synchronization, plug in the vacuum tool into the electric port on the vacuum. Power will come on. The power tool will be synchronized with the vac unit in A+ setting. The hose sleeve easily zips around the hose and tool cord. This is a hose and tool management for both electric and pneumatic. When dial is at 0, the unit is off. Turn to 1 and the unit is on. 1+ is vacuum with the filter clean. A+ is filter clean feature and synchronization with tool. When switching the unit to A+ or 1+, the unit will do a filter self-clean check by physically knocking debris out of the filters. You can hear the knocking noise. This noise is normal and expected with your unit. Next, turn the dial to adjust the vacuum intensity up or down. Set to low for 1 tool and set higher for running 2 tools. Here we're showing the auto on-off setting A+ in usage. Again, you can hear the knocking noise, which is normal and expected with your unit as it cleans or knocks debris from the filters. Now you can begin sanding with your electric tool. For pneumatic tool setup and synchronization, you need to attach pneumatic fittings. Make sure you use 2 wrenches to hold the fittings and brass receivers securely in order to not damage the unit. The lower fitting is for the air from the source, air compressor to unit. The top fitting is the coupler connecting the unit to your pneumatic tool. For automatic on-off, have the setting on A+ and begin sanding with your pneumatic sanding tool. Once you're done sanding and the bag is full, you need to dispose of the collection bag. Remove the hose from the port and close the port cover. Then detach the top portion of the unit, gently extract the collection bag and disconnect white plastic tie ends. There are 2 ends to detach from the poly bag, which can be wrapped around the top of the bag and tied together. We recommend capping off the bag with the included collection bag cap. Dispose of the collection bag per your appropriate waste management. Check your filters on a regular basis and clean as needed based on the amount of material collected on the filters. Material will build up over time. Filters are easy to clean and washable with water. Air dry filter materials. For best filtration performance, we recommend washing it up to 3 times before replacement. Where available, we have M-Class and H-Class filters. If a red flashing light turns on at any time, this indicates a warning of low airflow rate. Turn off the unit to investigate. Things to check include a full collection bag, plugged filters, or hose obstruction. This light applies to any and all settings of the unit. Here it is showing in the 1 setting. The Y adapter slips into a snug fit, with the same dual port quarter turn connection for hoses. Optional Y hose attachment allows collection for 2 tools. An optional adapter plate allows for hose management, cord management, and attachment of toolboxes. Ensure it is locked down and secure to the unit. Vacuum attachments are also included if you prefer to use them to clean up other types of dust in your work area. Accessories include telescopic pipe, floor nozzle, nozzle adapter, and a brush adapter. Simply attach the accessories into the hose, turn the PDE on, and start vacuuming. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on how to get started with your 3M Xtract portable dust extractor. For additional questions and support, please reach out to your 3M distributor.